All right, it's Monday morning. I'm getting ready to leave Wichita. My buddy Keith that I rode with all week, he's got to go to work.
Yeah,
I don't know what sucks worse, going to work or having to ride in the rain.
Oh, it's still work.
Yeah, that's true.
It's definitely still work.
That's true. So it looks like I'm going to have this for a good 3 hours, and hopefully it clears up by the time I get to Nebraska, because I'm going to Omaha to meet another friend of mine. So we'll see you out there. Good morning. It is Tuesday. My buddy Eric from Minnesota got here about 8 o'clock last night, so then we shot over and had some late dinner over at the sports bar next door. And let's see, I just got back from having breakfast. Hotel breakfast. It wasn't great, but I stepped outside and it's 50 degrees, which I'm not used to 50 degrees, but you can see the motorcycles out there. He's got an 03 Softail. So today we're going to Hays, Kansas, but we're going to take all like county roads and state roads and that kind of thing, just like I've been doing. So it should be a good day of riding. It's cold, so we're leaving about 9, which it'll be about 10 degrees warmer. I didn't pack any heavy jackets. I've got 2 flannels, a mesh jacket that I bought on this trip, a couple hoodies, so I should be okay as far as getting ready for the cold. But once you move, it's a lot colder. So that's it. I'm gonna watch a little news, drink my coffee, wait for a text from Eric, and then probably hit the road. So we'll see you out there. Alright, here's my buddy's 2003 Heritage Softail. Got that cool anniversary paint. You can see the Harley Davidson words in the stripe. Super clean. It's got, I think it said 17,000 miles on it. Super clean other than the dirty bugs. But he's on his way down, and then we're gonna hit the road. Speaking of, look at how dirty that is. Whew. Gonna have to get it detailed when I get back home. So I'm doing a little recording because I might put a video out on the trip. So if you see me bring this out and point it, it's because I'm recording. But we're here at Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson, just outside Omaha. And I think they're open. That gentleman there just said that they unlocked the doors. It's a few minutes early, so it's open. Check that out. We're gonna go in, and Eric here needs to buy a phone mount, or at least see what they have.
All right, lunchtime. We're in the small town of Giltner, Nebraska. Got their grain elevators. Going to a place called Sitting Bull Saloon. But yeah, it's just a small little town. Not many people. Just a quick little stop for gas. We're still 2.5 hours out. Shows us arriving at 5:45. So probably stop again. So we'll probably get to the hotel after 6. So that's not bad. It's just a great day of riding. Another small town. We've just been on these back roads. In fact, we were on a back road that turned to gravel, so we had to turn around and get back onto a real road. So that took a little time, but other than that, everything's going well. Bike's running good. Eric's bike's running good. It's a lot of farming stuff. All right, we made it to the Fairfield in Hays, Kansas. There's a few restaurants around here. I know I see the Applebee's, and I know there's Old Chicago or something like that. So I think we're just gonna get checked in and then walk over and grab a meal and probably a beer or something like that. And then just relax for another long day tomorrow. All right, waking up in Hays, Kansas. We are parting ways. My buddy Eric's going to Colorado, and I'm heading south. I'm going to get to Guyman, Oklahoma, check the weather, and make a determination if I want to go towards Tucumcari or if I want to go down to Amarillo. I'm supposed to be getting some rain on this route, so we'll see, I guess. But other than that, I got about a half tank, so I'm gonna go fuel up and hit the road.
I stayed at this microtel outside Albuquerque last night because I couldn't find anything in town, and it was an 11-hour riding day yesterday. But it is now, let me check, it's 3:20 in the AM, and I got enough sleep, but I just couldn't stay in that room anymore. It was pretty awful. But we're gonna go next door to the truck stop. They have a Denny's, which is probably just as bad, but why not? So we'll get a little breakfast, a little coffee, and I'm gonna hit the road. And if I can get on the road by 4, I'll be back home by noon.